Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Pynbeit. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Umintri rangba kejala ukonrat kongkol sangma ulay thu bak Jingïalang ban umintri rangba kejala Assam uhimanta biswas sarma banyak keren hakabayde bak Jingïalang Pynbeit put hapreng ke sarkar Meghalaya bat ke sarkar Assam karang yai beteng hadu kini gisngi hak Jingïalang keren bekilat pathai kubuar hak arterik Jymmang arjar apulai ukonrat sangma ulay thu ba udang syudap yakren la arsin kenti lingba ke telefon bat uhimanta hakabayde bak Jingïalang Pynbeit yakatarik bat ke sngi banyak kendu la kumdu hapo uni Bnai Jymmang.
So I have had a couple of telephonic conversations with my counterpart from Assam. We are working out the dates. Hopefully, we should be able to initiate the first talk within the month of May itself. But obviously, as I said, it's a process. So it's not that we will see everything happen in one day, but at least the initiation part, we will try our best. We are working out our dates. And as I said, the good part is that since we are in direct talking terms and we talk to each other directly, so we'll be able to finalize the dates very soon. We have given 2-3 options to each other. Once we freeze on the exact dates, I will definitely inform all of you.